of my favorite things in this world. The sunshine in winter and the trees silhouetted against the sky. Everything is cold in winter. There is frost on the window glass. The cold air touches the skin of the cheeks. There is a slight stinging sensation in the airflow between each breath. I'm on my way to a mountain area that is about to be rebuilt and developed. Many mountain villages nowadays in remote areas are used for more human activities, serve some commercial purpose to bring benefits. My job is to check the abandoned house on the mountain, prepare for the future interior arrangements. My tour guide leading me up to the mountain to check the houses, the dust floating on the air, abandoned, unknown equipment, standing in silence, telling some sort of story of age. As you can see, these houses actually remained better than I imagined. I tried to measure the dimensions of the space. And build some connections with this space. Weird and surprisingly, I felt really relaxed in this space. I don't know why, I just walk around. You know what? I actually have zero plan in my mind. The hostess treated us with a really nice 100% pure egg, which may just pull out from chicken's body, which also checked her dog. And as well as this tiny sweet orange. Since the tiny orange is really sweet, I can understand why it attracts some kind of wild animal. For the rest of the day, I decided to do some self-exploration of this area, which is quite exciting. As I said, the sunlight in winter and the tree shadow against the sky are two of my favorite things. I just walk around, played like a kid. What I get from today? Just slow down. When you realize the peaceful you were seeking for your whole life right in front of you, you will really slow down. Forget about all the chaos. You know you will leave eventually. Maybe you will have to start a new journey again. Then just cherish this moment and discovering the greatness of life. I still love attracting elements from nature. Nature creates all of this by billions of years of change of universe and life. The complexity and the all-encompassing deserve our respect. And I think this kind of sentence came out from my mouth. It's because I've been away from all of this for too long. That's why I realized how grateful I am for everything. The only thing I want to say after this journey is that appreciate what life gives you and what's in front of you. And I know it still sounds cliche. I may just shut my mouth up from now on, because I really don't know what to say when I do the voice recording. Let me just shut up.
Hello.